Hi, this is Laura Turner, and today I'm going to talk with you about how to make a friendship quiz. Probably one of the most popular places to make a friendship quiz is on your computer online for all your friends to see, whether they be in your town or somewhere else in the country. So you're going to want to get down on your computer and start writing your quiz. You should make some questions that are going to be obvious to friends who have only known you for a very short amount of time. You know, what is my favorite color? Where do I live? What's my favorite TV show? And things like that, very superficial questions. And then as you get down into the quiz, you might want to get a little more personal. You know, what was the worst moment of my life, so far? Then you can really see who really knows you and who's really been paying attention to you. Or, who do I have a secret crush on? Who have you told your secret to versus the friends who you have not told your secret to. Then think about how you're going to assess the points on your quiz. And also think about using programs that will help you make quizzes. There are many programs out there that are, sort of survey programs that will help you do this, where you can actually weigh the points against each other. So you don't have to make it up yourself, essentially. And give more points to the questions that are more important to your friendship. Give fewer points to the questions that are not, like, what is my favorite color? So that you'll actually have something that comes out kind of interestingly in the end. Finally, compile the results and determine where you stand and where your friends stand and just what you don't know about your friend or what your friend needs to know about you. Have fun.